Amos Nyaribo nigorit koria rero arigania bagani kurwa ase ensemo ya UNIDO Fadgad Gesemba nigagotomanya eki bagamba ase ensemeyo
rero ganto bwate delegation for UNIDO awara accompanied by Umuntu Kuru Kenya Investment Authority now your Mokuru Kenya National Government Industrial Ministry of Industry Obacha utarira project tubwate ya value chain mono ritoke rito toyitwari ondirigo ribe lakini kekabsi toko raisi industry never you process chi product ritoke elimo aboko raisi banana paste, egotumika in pharmaceutical industries and food industries, nabokora exclusives, ochioni, tutara endabu, umogomba, weli toka omonyene, gurushuru products, like artificial air.
I just wanted to say that success is ownership. And being here and seeing how much you and Wazir is doing and making me happy in advance that whatever knowledge came through the project will be translated to livelihood and to do things on the ground, and that not only the two farmer cooperatives that are going to the Philippines, but the two people from your office that will go will share the knowledge and capacitate others to. And even if the project ends in September, I'm sure another one will come under your leadership and together with our partners. I think I'm happy that we have resource mobilization here, because I found out that many times if we do it together, we also can get more. And this is hardly tapped into it. So I...
Right on. Nerimo ya value chains to achorete igo sirio butaka bwango otutaete bono twatreni abaremi kuruo omogomba kuru omosi orweri toke ngakiora aro chibesa kururi toke rinyene ngakiri ko processed eridonya chibesa chisaine yo kamoranje asegenta kamo moko beka chinguru no kormari toke kiaran kurgitore market naende ntoramo ko tenanainwe erinde tonya konyore market endonge.